Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to infuse some life back into my faux fur rug so that way it's nice and soft, just like when I first bought it. Sit back and relax, and let's get started. So I'm very happy with the results. I think it's quite a drastic change from that shaggy, messy carpet I had before, and now the carpet looks soft and fresh again. Plus, the smell of the conditioner makes the rug smell really nice too. Comment below, let me know your thoughts, and if you have any suggestions, let me know your thoughts below too. Thanks for watching. Take care, guys.